Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Alex from JingleMining. Welcome back to our unboxing series. Today I'm gonna unboxing this miner, which is called FluMiner. It's quite heavy though. It's kind of like around 10 kg. Yeah, something like this. Let me open this miner. Alright, let's go. Okay, here we go, and you can see I opened the box and the miner over there have some protection. I got to know what's the power consumption of this unit and also other information. So this is the FluMiner, which is pretty heavy, with the fans in the rear, and there is some buttons and the mini screen in the front and some other fans as well. Okay, and you see it comes with the 6 giga hash rate at the power consumption of 1400 watts using the script algorithm mining Dogecoins and Litecoins, and it related when like July, and based on the website it has the daily revenue of this unit is $7.24 per day. It's very good, right? Like 6-year hash rate at the power consumption is 1400. It's quite efficiency. Let me calculate. We use the selling price divided by the daily revenue, and we got the payback time, which is 193 days. That's really good. I mean, it's really impressive with this short payback period. All right, okay. And let's go back to the business. Here is the front of this FluMiner, and here is the back of this FluMiner. Also the air inlet, and you see here is the display screen, and there is a 3 fan in the front, and there is the 3 fan in the back. Here is the IP report you can see on the screen. It shows the current hash rate and the power consumption in the screen. Yeah, it's something like that. Okay, we are gonna turn it on and see what's the fan speed. So as you can see, this is the FluMiner. So I already plugged in it on the electricity and the internet cable, and in the front you will have 3 fan, and as well as in the back you will have 3 fan. This FluMiner is so stylish. So as you know, young people like stylish miners, so customers have so many demands about this FluMiner. And you can see there is a Wi-Fi signal booster in the behind. So that means you can just mine your cryptocurrencies wirelessly. I mean, yeah, of course, it's a home miner, right? So this fan have very less noise, so you can use it at your home. And there is a TF card port, which is you never use, right? As you can see in the back, there is a Wi-Fi booster, power cord, and the Ethernet cable over there. But I think it doesn't comes with the power cable, so maybe you have to buy it separately. So just because it doesn't comes with power cable, I find this power cable by myself. And if it's your first time setting it up, you might need plugging the the power cable, but later you can of course mine wireless without Ethernet cable. But if you were using the Ethernet cable, it's much better. Just plug it in and start to mine. As you can see, here is the IP address 192.168.2.134. So you have to remember this IP address and then copy it and paste it into the Wi-Fi. This one is already set it up. Also, if it's your first time like entering the IP address, you should always remember this. Here we go, and yeah, this is already set up, guys. I'm sorry, I didn't know. Maybe it's because the factory people, they set it up. But anyway, I think the first time it probably not show the IP address. And also, if it's your first time like entering the IP address, and you might need to put it the username and the password. So both of them are root and not capital root. It's ROOT root. Okay, and also the password. After you filled in, then you will go in this page like this I'm having right now. And then the next step is go to the left side and find pool setting, and it's right here. You can see here is a pool setting button over here. You just click on the pool setting button. Then here you should put your wallet information, and you should put a password over here. You can see here is a password option. You put your wallet address and your password, then just submit it. After submit, you should go to the dashboard and you can see it start mining. So here you can see the work time, status, power, and other information as well. As you can see, my miner is already active here. So this is the way you should connect your miner to your pool. So after you filling all the information, and then you click submit, and then you will see the reboot successful. And then all you need to do is just go to the dashboard. After dashboard, you will try to focus if there is hash rate showing. If it's showing normally, you will wait like 1 or 2 minutes. When it's showing means your unit time is running. So right here is the work time, and here is the status. Is normally would say like normal or not normal, something like this. And here is the power consumption, and here is the reject ratio. Normally will under 1%, and normally will under 1%, just like this. And right here, if the current hash rate, and it's not normally important though. What's important is this average hash rates, like this is determines your profit and how your hashing power in the whole mining pool. And here's the fan power in the whole mining pool, such thing. And here's the fan speed. After higher, this number is the crazy. And you can see the fan speed over here in the dashboard. Also you can see the temperature in the screen. That's it. After all, you are all set, and you want to like mine wireless, or you just want to put your miner in your like basement or like somewhere far in your house. Just go to the Wi-Fi setting in the left, and you just choose your Wi-Fi name over here. Like I choose here on my Wi-Fi name. Just do the same thing and wait about 1 or 2 minutes again. And yeah, when you see there's a hash sign on the dashboard, then you can just put out your Ethernet cable. Yeah, that's it. So now let's test because it's a home miner, right? This unit is known as designed or targeted as a very good home miner. So as a home miner, you don't want anything to affect your room temperature, especially in the like summer or something like winter is alright. But yeah, you don't want this thing very like crazy hot generate. So much hot heat, right? Alright, so I will wait a couple of minutes to test the temperature and noise level of this unit. So you are aware of the performance of this thing. I think it is running at the full power right now because I can see the current hash rate is already meeting the current standard. As you are aware of the performance of this thing, I think it is running at full power right now because I can see the current hash rate is already meeting the standard. Alright, I'm gonna using this thing to test the noise level first. So as you can see, it's only 70 decibel, so it's very useful for your home miner. I think if you run this miner, you can sleep beside this miner, no problem. For temperature, it's about 36.5 degrees, like it's not so big, so it's very useful for your home mining. That's all for today. Thank you. So after all of this, if you have any question, you can visit our Facebook or you can visit our YouTube channel. Also, you can directly go to our website www.jinglemining.com. You can ask your question to our customer center.